Hello everyone, welcome to Active Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the type of selectors, CSS selectors. So we have different type of selectors are there. You can see element, class, ID, group, and pseudo select. So what are there and how we can use? So let's start. So see here, I have taken a simple example and basic structure of HTML is there. Okay. So in here you can see these are the things are there: element, selector, class, ID, and this is the simple syntax which we have learned in the last class. The syntax is first you have to select the selector, then you have to add the property, and then according to the property we have to give the value. So in this we are starting the element selector. So let's see. So here I am first I am saving this file. So till now we have done three. So this is the fourth. So we have a now I want to use the CSS. So first I have to go with the selector name, right? So here I'm using the element. So element means h1 is your element, image is your element, right? Body is your element. So let's go with the body. Okay, so I'm using body open and body close, and I want to change the property. So let's see. Let's go with the background color. Background is totally changed. If I want to give simply, we can go with the element. Okay. So next thing is class. Okay. So class means see when we are different type of elements are there and we want to give the same style for particular element. So on that time we can go with the class selectors. How we can give, for example, let's add multiple elements something one. Save this file class. So now you can see we have different type of elements are there, H1, H2, H3. Now I want to apply the same style for every element. So for that purpose, we have to use the class selector. So how I can use the class? First, I have to give any name of that class. So the class is present with the dot symbol. After that, I have to give any name. Okay. Here I'm giving something name as a something XYZ. Anything you can give any name. Okay, and under that you have to assign the property and value. Same thing. Every syntax in CSS is same. First we have to select the selectors, then property, then value. That's it. So see here, just we are using the selector is class selector, then property, then value. So now this property and value is saved in this class. And now I want to apply this style into particular my element. So how I can add? Just I have to use the class, then I have to use the name. So name is XYZ. So don't write dot because when we are creating this style on that purpose only we have to use the dot means it is a class. Whenever we are calling this class, we have to write the class, then we have to give the name. So now you can see only the H1 is coming in the red. Why? Because we are calling in the class in the H1 only. Now if I want to add in the same thing for H2, for H3, now you can see. And if I am changing anything in here, automatically is changing. This is the class, and next we are ID selector. So class and ID are same, just the representation is different. For example, copy, and here I am saving this file. So instead of dot, I have to mention the hashtag. Here instead of class, just that's it. Now you can see if I'm changing anything in the style. So this is the comment. Change. So both are same, but the difference is for ID we have to use the hashtag, and for the class we have to use the dot. Okay. So I have used these things here. So just change the name. So next we'll go with the group selectors. So now you can see we have a different type of elements are there. Okay, and I want to do the styling at a time. Okay, I don't want to use the class and IDs. I don't want, now I want to give the style at a time. For that purpose, we can use this group selector. So here you can see we have H1, H2, and H3. Okay, here how we can use H1, H2, H3. Here I'm giving, see the difference. Change, right? It is not like you can go with the class and IDs also. If you don't want to use, you cannot use. You can, but if you want to add the class and ID also, you can add that one also. For example, I'm just making. You can use the combination of all the classes. You can use the combination of all the IDs. You can use the combination of all the elements, and you can go with the class, ID, and element same the time. For example, H1 is already element, but here I have just converted this as class. I have to give class ID. That's it. And see, I'm just changing. So you can use anything, class, ID, and element, all the things, and all the selectors at a time also. Okay. The next thing is pseudo selector, or you can say hover effect also. For example, simple, I'm using one class. The name of the class I'm using as a box, and inside of this class, I'm just using some information. So in width, I'm assigning as a 200 pixel, and height also I'm assigning some pixel. Here I'm giving the background color. Save this file. Background color. So now I can call this class anywhere. So I'm just taking a tag for fusion tag, and inside of this fusion I'm calling my class. So I'm giving the name as a box. So you can give any name, like whatever assigned you assign the name, it should be same here. Okay. If you are assigning the name as a ABC, so here it should be ABC only. So now you can see here. So we have a box. Okay. Now I want to change the property whenever my cursor is going to this particular box. So how I can change? So simply just we have to use that this class name. After that column, then we have to use the hover, open bracket, close bracket, then add the property. So what property you want to change? So I want to change the property of the color. Here I'm giving. Now you can see I'm refreshing. See the difference. When I'm taking my mouse to this particular area, it is changing. So you can use any properties here. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions or doubt, you can email us or you can comment in the this particular video. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our video. Thank you.